Imagine a wildfire starting deep inside a forest where no one notices it. By the time help arrives, thousands of trees and animals may already be lost. To solve this problem, we created PyroLink Detect, Respond, Restore. Our smart canopy essential node monitors temperature, humidity, smoke, flames, and GPS location. A smartphone based AI detects humans, animals, and fire in real time. Using R433 communication, the system works even without internet. If any two danger conditions are detected, the system immediately sends a wildfire alert to the PyroLink control center where the operators receive live data, alarms, GPS locations, and telegram notification for quick emergency response. To fight the fire, we developed an AI drone for live monitoring and a PyroLink response unit that deploys fire suppression capsule. After the fire, our eco-friendly recovery capsules help restore the damaged forest. What makes PyroLink unique is that it covers all three stages of a wildfire: prevention, response, and recovery in one affordable and scalable ecosystem. Together, we can protect forests, wildfire, and future generations. PyroLink Detect, Respond, Restore. This is a short video of our project PyroLink. You can view our detailed project information by visiting www.pyrolink.tabinnovations.in. Thank you from Tab Innovations.